Hi, are my Google Photos not syncing between devices? 1. Check the upload status and the account. If we exclude rare server-side issues, the Google Photos sync across devices shouldn't be an issue. Before we move to some additional steps, 2 things are necessary to check. They are obvious, but we often neglect the simplest causes. The first thing to check is the upload status on your device. Say, if you took a couple of photos or downloaded them to your device, make sure that they are uploaded. This is visible in the main tab called Photos. If they are there and they're uploaded and not in the process of uploading, you are good to go. If not, make sure to find them in the Library tab and back them up from folders on your local storage. Your device needs to be connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You should also tap on the account/profile picture and tap Review Out of Sync Changes if the photos you uploaded on your current device got deleted or edited on another device. You can negate the deletion/edits and restore these photos or videos, or accept changes. In addition, make sure that Google Photos apps and/or web clients share the same Google account. We needed to mention this, although you're probably well aware. Also, check Archive and Trash folders for missing photos and videos. You might have deleted or archived them by accident. 2. Disable Battery Saver. With Battery Saver enabled, some handheld devices will completely abort syncing, and that's why we recommend disabling Battery Saver. In addition, if you use cellular data with Google Photos to upload photos/videos or sync library, make sure that Google Photos have permission to use it. Here's how to disable Battery Saver and grant Google Photos necessary permissions on Android. Open Settings. Open Battery. Disable Power Saver or anything along those lines. Now, get back to Settings and open Apps. Open Google Photos. Tap Storage and clear the cache from the app. Now, get back and open Mobile Data. Toggle on the Allow Background Data Usage option. And this is how to disable Low Power Mode and check permissions for Google Photos on iOS. Open Settings. Tap Battery. Disable Low Power Mode. Google Photos not syncing across devices. Get back to Settings and open Google Photos. Tap Photos and allow access to all photos. Enable the cellular data option and background app refresh in the same menu. Google Photos not syncing across devices. Also, make sure to keep Google Photos open if you want it to back up photos. 3. Reinstall Google Photos. If none of the previous steps worked for you and Google Photos is still not syncing across devices, make sure to reinstall apps on all your devices. Also, sign out of your Google account in the Photos for the web. Once you set up everything, photos and videos should start syncing to all devices. Here's how to reinstall Google Photos on Android. Open the Play Store and locate and open Google Photos. Tap Uninstall. This will either completely remove the app or uninstall updates if Google Photos are a system app on your Android. Google Photos not syncing across devices. Restart your device. Open Google Play Store and install or update Google Photos. Open the app, choose your preferences, and wait for it to sync. And this is how to reinstall Google Photos on iOS. Tap and hold on to the Google Photos shortcut in App Library. Tap Delete App. Confirm when prompted. Open App Store and look for Google Photos. Install the app and open it. Google Photos not syncing across devices. Configure Google Photos and check for improvements. With that said, we can call it a wrap. Thank you for reading, and don't forget to give us your feedback in the comments section below. We look forward to hearing from you.